Hello everyone. Again, Seth and Pat from the Drum Path. Today it's a very nice episode because we're not talking about rhythms, we're talking about fill-ins. What about fill-ins? Fill-ins are used in songs to move from one section to another in the song. So for example, playing a verse, moving to the chorus, you play a fill in between. This is where you play your fill in. You can use the fill in as well in between the verse. So if you're playing a verse, moving from one paragraph to another in the same verse, you can play your fill in between. So this is where you play your fill in. Sorry for the microphone. Now, for the fill in, it's very important because it will help the band, it will help the listeners, it will help everyone to show the transition from a paragraph to another. So when you play your fill in, you will show everyone that you're moving to something new. Now, what is a fill in? Usually, fill in is played on the toms, the snare, okay, and it's rhythmic, but not the rhythm that you know usually. So it comes, okay, so this is a fill in, for example. Now, how to start our fill ins? Let's take it from basic and let's build on it. So let's count to four. We count to four. 1, 2, 3, 4. On every count, I want you to play one hit with the right hand. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I don't want you to play it all on snare. I want you to play the first hit on the snare, the second on tom one. In our case, this will be our tom one. Then on the third count, a hit on tom 2, then on count 4, the fourth hit on the third tom or the floor tom. Okay, so I'm gonna play it for you, you'll understand it now. So it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if you're playing a rhythm and we play the fill in, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, of course, you can play the second hit with your left hand, the third hit with the right hand like before, and the fourth hit with the left hand. You can do it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, let's try it with the metronome.
Sure.
Okay?
Let's start with 60.
60 BPM is great. So,
Alright.
4. So 1, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. That's it.
Awesome.
Amazing. Now, of
100?
course, you want to play it to 100?
Let's do it 100.
Seth wants to play it to 100 on 100. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, perfect. Now, don't focus on the rhythm. You can play any rhythm you want, okay? Now, of course, I played maybe a hard rhythm just to enjoy my lesson while giving it to you. So, in your case, play a basic rhythm and focus on the fill in the way we just did it. Now, let's try to spice things up. So, instead of playing one hit per count, let's play 2 hits per count. Now, on one, we'll play 1, 2 hits, right, left. On 2, 3, 4. Now, gonna repeat it now. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, Let's
Starting with the tempo?
yes, yes,
Alright.
60 BPM.
60 BPM.
So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Fill in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Perfect.
Awesome. Now, what would you call the thing you did with the hi-hat and the snare? Is it a fill-in or is it a rhythm?
It's a fill in as well. Much shorter than the fill in we're playing now. Uh, we'll talk about that later. For now, let's focus on
All right.
what we're doing. But very nice question from you. So thank you. Now let's try to play it on 100. Then we move to the third part of this course of this lesson. I mean, before moving to the next episode.
All right. 100.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Fill in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. That's it. Now, of course, we can change the order. Instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 4, we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. For example, of one or 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna talk about that in the second episode. So let's focus on what we have to do in this episode and move to the last part of this video, which is playing four hits per count. Now, it's gonna be a bit fast, but it's much more fun. So instead of doing 1, 2, 3, 4, we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. So playing 4 hits per count instead of two or one. So let's play it on 60 BPM slowly, and then we'll play it on 100. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. With rhythm. Fill in. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, on 100. So,
All right.
so 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. With the rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Fill in. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Very nice.
Such a beautiful lesson. Honestly, it was really fun, and I think you too enjoyed it because I had a good time in this one.
I had an amazing time.
That's it.
Fill-ins.
Fill ins. So, guys, practice your fill ins at home. Start them at low speeds, low tempos, and push them to 100, 120, 140 as much as you can. and see you in the next episode. See you.
Don't forget to like and drop your thoughts and requests in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe so we can keep the drums community growing.